Everyone on this chart is staring at the same lines: support, resistance, trend lines, and price cuts through them like they're not there. Because the line on a chart is just where price turned. It tells you nothing about who's still positioned there. This thing does. By the end of this video, you'll read it, pull entries off it, and manage the whole trade with it. No fluff. This is the full system. Okay, 90 seconds and you read this thing like a book. Volume profile is just volume plotted at price, not time. Every bar shows you how much business got done at that level. 4 things to know. Longest bar, that's the POC, point of control, the price where the most trading happened around it. The value area, the zone holding 70% of all the volume. Top edge, value area high, bottom edge, value area low. That's your map. Now the bit most people miss, fat bars are high volume nodes. High volume nodes, price loves it there. It stalls, it rotates, it comes back. Thin bars are low volume nodes. Nobody did business there. Nobody's defending it. So price doesn't respect a low volume node area. Cut straight through it. Quick one on shapes. A D shape is balanced. Market's happy. Fade the edges. P shape, short covering, usually late in rally. B shape, long liquidation. That bounce you want to buy. Probably a trap. Right. Where it becomes a system and not trivia. Every session price is doing one of 3 things: trading above the value, trading inside it, or below it. That one question tells you what kind of day you allowed to trade. Inside value, market's balanced. You fade the value area high to the value area low. Rotation trades. Outside value, holding, that's acceptance. Trend day, you do not fade it. Outside value and coming back in. Now listen, this one's a stat. The 80% rule. Price opens outside yesterday's value, re-enters, and holds inside for 2 periods. About 8 times out of 10 it rotates across the whole value area. Yesterday's profile is literally today's roadmap. One more magnet, the naked POC. A POC from a previous day that price never came back to touch. Markets have memory, unfinished business at that level. They get revisited. Not always the same day, but they get revisited. Mark every naked POC on your chart. Those are targets. First entry, the bread and butter, the POC retest. Price is trending above value, pulls back into POC. That fat node is full of positions. Trend side defends it. Here's the exact trigger, not vibes. Price tags the POC, prints a rejection candle there, wick through, closes back above, entry on the close of that candle. Stop goes below the node, not below the candle, because the node is the structure. Wick into that volume means nothing. Target the next high volume node area. That's usually 1 to 2.5. 1 to 3. If the node's too wide for your risk, skip it. Next setup comes tomorrow. Second entry, my favorite, the low volume node cut. Price pushes into a thin zone. Remember, nobody's defending it. No volume, no fight. Price just travels. Trigger, a full candle close inside the low volume node. That's the acceptance into the vacuum. Entry on that close, direction of the break, stop behind the last high volume node you left, the node you came from. Target, next node across the gap, or naked POC if one's sitting there. These move fast. That's the point. You're trading the vacuum. If it stalls in the gap and chops, something's wrong. Get out. The low volume node thesis is speed, no thesis. Entries are the easy part. Management is where accounts die. So here's the whole thing. 1. Stops live behind structure, behind nodes, never behind candles. A stop behind a candle is a donation. 2. Targets are nodes, period. You don't hold through a high volume node hoping price stalls at fat volume. That's its job. First high volume node, take a piece off, move stops to entry, runner goes to the next node or the naked POC. 3. The exit nobody talks about. You know what should happen at every level. Rejection at nodes, speed in gaps. So when price does the opposite, that's your signal. Accepted where you needed rejection. 2 closes, pass your node. Thesis is dead. You're out, not at your stop. Now the pro gives you the moment you're wrong. 4. Boring one. Sizing. Risk is fixed before the entry exists. Same fraction every trade. The system only works if you're alive for the next 100 trades. That's the system. Read the profile, POC, value, nodes, and gaps. Locate price against value, that picks your day type. 2 entries, POC retest, low volume node cut, manage node to node, and exit the second profile calls you wrong. Screenshot the field guard. It's also pinned in the comments. Next episode, I take this live on the markets. Real session, opening range, every decision on screen. That one's already cooking. Subscribe so it lands in your feed. I'll see you guys in the next video.